Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is this zombie nurse type look. So if you want to see how I get from this to this, then stay tuned to find out how I do it. Okay, so what I've done is this makeup look I filmed earlier. So I've just taken my lash off on this side and I've put a contact in, just one. I've ripped up a makeup sponge. I've just ripped the top bit off and I'm dipping it in this. So this is the iMagic palette and I'm dipping in the red and the blue because I want to kind of create like an almost bruised effect, and I'm just going to dab this on. This is the kind of look so far. With around here I'm kind of blending it a little bit. Once you blend it a little bit it looks, and then to finish off, this is like a really simple makeup look to be honest, and then I'm going to go in with some fake blood. So I want to do it from under the eye. Can't really see out these. Finished look. Do a really easy Halloween look for you. If you've got a costume and you're not really sure what to do but you kind of want to go half and half, this is the ideal look. It's really super easy. In this lighting it's not the best. In at night it will look so good because the LED light is picking up obviously all the colours so brightly. I'll post a picture in a minute of it in like normal day lighting and it looks so good. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I do new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I'll be doing videos all week Halloween. I will link a link below for you to see my Halloween playlist, and yeah, bye.